Hello friends, a viral problem has occurred in because many students and many people are confused how to solve these type of question, because these type of questions are very similar to this, because 8 divided by 2 bracket 7 plus 4 is to 2. How to solve? There are two methods. What do people actually do? They first divide 8 divided by 2, which is a correct method, but then inside the bracket what they do, they ignore BODMAS and PEMDAS. They ignore both of them, and then firstly they 7 plus 4, firstly they add these both number, which they get 11, and 11 is to 2 they get 22, and 8 divided by 2 they get 4. So 22 and then 4 they get the wrong answer, but the correct method from which you can easily identify the correct answer. So let's start. We will give the heading of solution. So the correct method to solve these type of question according to PEMDAS. What does PEMDAS stand for and BODMAS stand for? I will tell the only PEMDAS. PEMDAS stand for PEM PEMDAS or BODMAS. They both are same. PEMDAS and BODMAS, and they both are same. P stand for parenthesis, E stand for exponent, M for multiplication, D for division, A for addition, S for subtraction, and BODMAS stand for B for bracket, O for operation, D for division, M for multiplication, and A for addition, and S for subtraction. The only difference between PEMDAS and BODMAS is that the multiplication comes first after exponent, and in BODMAS division comes first after multiplication, after operation. So both are almost equal. So we will go through BODMAS. So firstly we will divide 8 divided by 2, or you can say them same. So we will write 8 divided by 2 as it is, and first we will solve the BODMAS. According to BODMAS, we will solve the bracket. Inside the bracket, 7 plus 4. We will not solve these two. We will solve multiplication is coming first in PEMDAS, then addition is in last almost. So 4 is to 8. So 4 is to 8 is 4 is to 2 is 4 2s are 8. So 7 will be written as it is, plus 4 2s are 8. Then 8 will be written as it is. Then we will solve 7 plus 8, and firstly we will solve 8 divided by 2. So 8 divided by 2 will give you 4. So 2 4s are 8, bracket 7 plus 8. 7 plus 8 is what? It's 15. So 15 4s are, if there is no sign between between two numbers 15 and 4, so you can understand by in your head that they both are being multiplied by each other. They both are being multiplied by each other. So 15 4s will give you the answer 60. The final answer is 60. This is how this is solved. So the correct method to solve these type of questions is this method. So be updated for more complex question in our next class, in our next video. Now, don't forget to subscribe my channel Umar's Learning Hub, and don't forget to comment that you felt this video good or excellent, or you if you like this video, so you have to click the like button. So best of luck for your examination if you are given. So thank you.